This is Chef Renee, and I'm in Costco getting my new potware. I got some for my son last week, and now I gotta have these pots. These are non-stick cookware set, and these are so good. Oh my goodness, I gotta have them. For $159.99, $160, I gotta have them before the price goes up. And also, yes ma'am, let me see what you got over there, girl. Okay, that's good, that's good. Perfect. This is good. If you don't have these, you need to get these. This is the plastic snapware. And it costs, what is it? Is it $24 or $19? Oh, even better. It's $19.99. So, $20 for that. That was a really, really good price. Oh my goodness. Let's see what else they got up in here, because I know I need some more stuff up in here. So I'm just going to do a little filming while we running around. What else we come to get, girl? You don't know? Oh, I know. Talking about she wasn't told. I don't know, I wasn't told. But you didn't share that information. I wasn't privy to that information. Okay, we're gonna make a left. We're gonna go down here because I need some pestivals. That was so retarded. I need some pestivals. I need some pillows. Okay, Red, come up here. Help me. Come help me. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give me some pillows, and they are gel memory foam pillows. They're $15 for two, or sheer ice mode 4-pack. I don't need that. What's that? Pull that out for me, please. That's for Queen, and that's what I need. Let me get 6 of those. Total of 6. Getting me some new pillows for my baby's house. Thank you so much. Got it. Okay. See how you got your purse sitting up there? Somebody gonna walk by and they gonna keep it moving. All you have to do is take that little strap thing for babies. Look at that little pretty girl. Look at that little pretty baby. Hey, pretty. I said, hey, pretty. She like, hello. Like, I know I'm pretty. She's beautiful. Exactly. Okay. I'm looking for something. What do I need? What do you need? You need a blanket? Well, how come you haven't gotten you one?
I've got that big black one that you were using the first time.
That's not a thick blanket.
I know, that's the only thing I have.
Well, I'm not gonna get you a thick blanket, but when I come back, I will have you a thick blanket because I got too many at home to be running out buying this stuff. I already got this stuff. What is that?
Mattress protector.
Oh, that's right. Girl, I'm so glad you were here with me. If this girl wasn't here with me, I wouldn't know what I'm doing. No, that's not it, though. That's not it. It's in a bigger box. It's in a bigger box. Look at those air fryers over there. I was on YouTube this morning, and I saw the double air fryers on YouTube. And I said I was going to get me one. As a matter of fact, the one I saw was $190, and I was watching somebody's channel, and she was cooking in it, and it was really nice. So I think I'm going to get me one of those air fryers. Right. But the one I saw was a Ninja.
Oh, the Ninja.
It's a Ninja air fryer. But yeah, and okay, they even got a thing if you need to make ice over there. You can make ice, sit right on your counter and make the ice. Digital air fryer. But I think I'm gonna get the one I saw on YouTube, even though, not YouTube. Yeah, I saw it on YouTube, but I'm getting it from Amazon because I think I like it better. And I think it's a Ninja. Okay, I'm coming on down the road. Okay, we got to get Red. She needs a comforter, but I'll be back. I'll be back soon, and she'll have a comforter. I have too many of those things at home to be buying more. I'm not. I'm trying to spend my money wisely. I'm not trying to be stupid in my buying. Okay, I need a topper. What is that? It's a twin also. Okay, let's go down here and see what else they got up in here. Look at that cooling body pillow. Okay. I'm glad we went down the other way because I would have ended up spending $19 for 2 pillows when I got a better price. Okay, this is what I want over here. $139.99. Right here. I need the chef. The new wave. You just grab that one. It's the same thing, I do believe. Both. Let me see. Come here. Turn it around. I need that. Okay, flip it back, babe. Okay, I need that. Okay, put that in the cart. And then they have, look at that over there. I like that. Now that's a warming tray.
Yeah, it's got the built-in warming.
Yeah, I see that down there. And you can also, oh, okay. It's right up top so you can see everything you need to see. I left my purse over there. Let's see if anybody tried to get me. Okay, this is a new wave. I got that for $140. Then you have this right here. This is, you cook on this. What is this? Family size glass top. That's a warming tray. I don't need that. I need stuff for cooking. So I'm gonna get cooking stuff. Which is this. Already got it. My cart is loaded. Hers is semi-loaded. What else we need? Let's see. Oh, we need this. Look at that shelving. Okay. Grab us one of those. The shelving. No, babe. This one right here. We're gonna go with one of those. Get one of those. That's $31. It's perfect for what we need, a utility rack. Yeah, I need some AAA batteries. How much are they? $16. Yeah, let me get some of these batteries. What do I need AAA batteries for? I know I need some. I'm just about out of my other one. I'll get the Kirkland brand. Look at this. This is nice. I love Lazy Susans. Oh, but it's okay. That's really, look at that. It's pretty, it's nice. So they don't have everything out that comes with it. But if you're on YouTube and you're doing a lot of filming and stuff and you want everything to be nice and pretty, you want to see if there's anything in that left in that box. Okay.
All right.
This is that. This is really pretty. It's called a seasoning station. Okay, they have something for your oils and vinegar. This is perfect. This is really pretty. Okay, let's get one, bruh. I think I should have one of these. And look at that over there. That's for keeping flies away. You put it outside on your table, and when you're gonna have your food and things like that, you turn it on. You turn the battery on. You turn it on, and it's gonna keep the flies away. Oh my goodness, that's nice. And that's $19 for that. Really nice. Oh, stop it. Look. What we got going through here? Is that a dinosaur and a chicken? Which came first, the dinosaur or the chicken? Okay. That's cute. That was cute. Okay, this is what it is right here. And what it does, it just goes around and around, and it keeps the flies away. People in there cheering. This is nice. This is really nice. You could come up here in Costco and just lose your mind. Okay, I just grabbed some baskets. They're $14.49. I grabbed 2. See that? This will be much easier to help me keep my things better organized. We're still looking for those bed topper. If it's a certain price. Now I bought a bunch of these the other day. And also I ordered some stuff from Amazon. Let's see. We still looking for the bed toppers. That looks like an arrow bed. Arrow bed, $129.99. Looks like a queen or a king size. I'm not sure which is which. Red, you look down that way, and I'm gonna go back down here because I may have missed it. Okay. These are the cooling ones. These are cheaper down there. These are 14 something for these. And these are, you see, $19. And if I would have came here first, I would have missed it because I would have grabbed those.
Where did you find this?
Girl, I think right down there.
Oh, okay.
So you see, I got the 14,
Thank you
15.
so
I want 3.
They look great.
Exactly.
I didn't know how much they were, but I just take a look at the items. And I
Yeah.
thought, oh my God, they look so good quality.
Exactly. Exactly. The quantity of it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. But I think they're right down there.
Thanks.
You're welcome. I need to get me a body pillow so I can have me a cooling agent. Okay. Cooling comforter. Every time I talk about cooling, they got a bunch of cooling stuff up in here. This is for a king size bed. But I'm gonna hold up on that. Okay. I need some help here in Costco. Because all I'm doing is rolling. And you know what? $80 for some sheets? 6-piece king size sheets? What's the thread count on that? 10,000? I don't know what it is, but I know who's not getting them. Not today anyway. But yeah, must be a very high thread count because those are 680. I'm looking right at it. 680 thread count. That's still too much money. I'll be back. We are at the food court. I forgot to get back on the video. There's so much going on up in here. But we're gonna get us one of these $10 pizzas and get us some ice cream. Go load up. And then we are out of here. This is all our stuff. This cart, in this cart. This is all our stuff, but I really forgot to get back on here. So anyway, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is Chef Renee, the personal chef, out here at Costco.